Want to turn text into a sales video with just one click? Zebracat AI is a revolution in video marketing. In just a few minutes, artificial intelligence will create an awesome video from any text, whether it's from a post or a script. We'll voice the video with a human voice in 170 languages. It will add music, effects, and the brand's signature style. We'll perform editing like a professional without editing. No longer needed. Expensive videographers, hours spent on editing, complex programs. Just upload the text. Receive a Hollywood trailer level ready video. Test it for free using the link in the description. After registering, we land on the main page of the website. Here we see sections for video creation, templates, and voice cloning. Unfortunately, cloning is only available with a paid subscription. We select video creation, and on the new page, we are prompted to choose the style of the future video. There are quite a few. For example, we will select the charcoal drawing. Move to the next page, where we must present our idea or a simple prompt. We will write the following text: how to help children get away from smartphone screens. Additionally, here we can choose the style of the narrative. For instance, fantasy, historical, educational, and so on. We will choose a motivational style. Next, we can select the video format, its duration, as well as the voiceover. A tree that bends in the wind often lives. After choosing the voice, we also select subtitle display and the mood in the video. We choose energetic. On the next page, we are offered two scripts for voicing. We choose the first one and press the video generation button. After the process is complete, we can edit or download the resulting video. Downloading. And here's what we got. Not bad at all.
Imagine a world where children play outside again, instead of sitting in front of a screen. Every minute spent away from a smartphone endows them with new skills, acquaintances, and unforgettable experiences. Grab a ball, a book, or just go for a walk. Help children discover the joy of the real world. Start today.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next tutorial video about artificial intelligence. Good luck to you.